We begin with newly released video from the helmet camera of an American soldier and his unit under attack. It happened 5 months ago today, on October 4th, in the West African nation of Niger. 3 Americans were killed in a battle with ISIS-affiliated militants. A 4th soldier was killed separately. The Pentagon is still investigating the ambush. The video was released today as part of a terror group's propaganda campaign. We caution you, portions of the video are graphic. Here's David Martin.
It is a propaganda video released by ISIS to show how supposedly invincible they are. CBS News has chosen to air parts of the video, which was captured by the militants from a helmet camera worn by one of the 4 soldiers killed that day. The Pentagon has yet to release a full account of the ambush, but the video shows in a way no words can express just how outgunned and cut off the Americans were. They were returning from what was supposed to have been a low-risk patrol made up of 11 Americans and 30 Nigerian soldiers when the ambush hit. At first, they tried to take cover behind their SUV. With one of the soldiers at the wheel, they ran alongside, attempting to escape the kill zone. They fired colored smoke grenades, which would provide some cover and identify their position to any friendly aircraft overhead. But it would be 2 hours from the start of the ambush before French aircraft arrived on the scene. These soldiers were on their own. One of them went down. Another rushed to his side and then dragged him back to the cover of the SUV. Their position at the SUV was about to be overrun, so they did the only thing they could: ran to a location that might provide better cover. Except for the smoke from the grenades and a few scrub trees, there was no cover and no escape. The soldier wearing the helmet camera went down. Soon the camera stopped moving, and some of the enemy fighters came into view. Then a final blast filled the frame from what apparently was a round fired at point-blank range. You would expect the enemy to take no prisoners, but you would not expect American soldiers to be so exposed without any backup. The Pentagon's investigation into how that happened is expected to be released this week. Elaine?
David Martin, thank you.